Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne French with Loveleen. Today in this video we will learn how to tell numbers in French. We have already learned numbers in French from 1 to 20 in my previous video, that is numbers in French part 1, and this is the part 2 where we will just focus on the numbers from 21 to 100, and even we will learn more than 100 as well. Alright, so whosoever has not checked my previous video from 1 to 20, you can just check this link, alright, and just learn numbers from 1 to 20 from there, and then you can just check this video, right? But we can also revise from 1 to 20 in this video as well. Why? Because after 20, of course, we have to use 21, 22, 23, right? So the whole story we have to repeat again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Like in English, we say 21, 22, 23, 24. So we simply put after 20 again the 1 to 10 line. So the same way here we're gonna do. But before starting from 21, 22 and all, I want you to just learn few numbers, right, which are very important, and those numbers are tens. That is like in English we say 10, 20, 30, 40, right? So all tens first we have to learn, because these are the only special numbers here in the counting. Rest of course we have to put after these tenses, we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, the same story, right? Same numbers. So without wasting more time, let's just learn these numbers. That is 10 is these that we have already learned, but let's revise that as well. So 10 is this. How is it 20 in French? That is one. You got it? It's one. And 30, it is trente. And for 40, we have a special word, that is quarante. It's split from the throat again because R is involved here. So it is quarante, right? That is 40. Now for 50, it is cinquante. And 60 is soixante. And 70 is actually soixante-dix, means 60 plus 10, that is 70, right? So there is no special word, but in other countries like in Belgium and other countries, they people have different words for that as well, like septante, right? But here we are learning a French way French, so we have soixante-dix, that is 60 plus 10, that is 70. Soixante-dix. Yeah. And now for 80, it is quatre-vingts. Quatre means 4 and vingt means 20. So 4 multiply 20, that is 80, means 4 times 20 is 80. So this is the way we say, that is quatre-vingts. Right? And then for 90, again 80 plus 10, that is 90, means quatre-vingt-dix. 80 plus 10, quatre-vingt-dix. And for 100, it is cent. I know the spellings is cent, right? So like we say percent, right? So cent, cent. So this way it is cent, that is 100. You got it? Très bien. So this was about tens, that is 10, 20, 30, quarante, cinquante, soixante, soixante-dix, that is 70, quatre-vingts, that is 80, and again quatre-vingt-dix, then 100. Très bien. Now let's revise numbers from 1 to 20, right? Because these numbers are gonna help us a lot to make bigger numbers. So let's get started. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, bingo. Alright, so it was from 1 to 20. Now how to make 21? That is 21. Simply, when we are starting 21 or 31 or 41, we have to put ETA. A is and. So this way, first we have to put A and then 1, that is but need not to put A, that is and, with other numbers, right? With other numbers we'll put hyphen. So in spoken it's like that only, but in writing you have to put hyphen, right? Okay, so 21 is 21. Next 22 is 22. Then 23 23. Same way 24. Now you can start counting, you know. If you know 1 to 20, you can easily make these numbers on your own. So now let's start. Yeah, again 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9, and then 30 is 30. That's why I said just learn, you know, these numbers first. So it is 30. And now again 31 is 31. Then here ETA we have to put, but later on no need to put A, right? That's simply now we have to add these the, trois, quatre. So 32 is 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40, that is 40. Now again start. 41, 42, yes, 43, 44, 45, keep counting, yes, 46, 47, 48, 49, and now 50 is 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and now 60. 60 is the word for 60. 60, and now 61, that is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and now quite simple, 70. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and then 79 is 79, and for 80, I told you 4 times 20, that is 80. So it is 80. 4 times 20, 80. Now 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and then 90, that is 90. And now again 11 those traits, okay? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then 100, right? So bingo, we did it. Alright, so there was about 1 to 100, and now if it is 101, then it's quite simple. 100, 1, 100, 103, this way, right? This way the counting will go on. So now there was about 1 to 100, and now what if it is 200, 300, 400? That is quite simple again. It's 200, 300, 400, right? Like you need to give money to somebody and the person is saying 250. What is 250 now? 200 is 200 and 50 is 50. 250. Right? Alright, so now if somebody is asking your date of birth, how you will tell? I'm not gonna tell my date of birth.
What?
I'm not gonna tell my date of birth. I'm not gonna tell my date of birth. So for example, your date of birth is 1985, so we'll say 1900, that is 1000. In French, 1000 is called mille, so we'll say 1000 first, that is mille, and then 900, 1900, and then 85. 85 is 80, right? And 5, 85. But when French people speak, they don't say mille, they say mi. They just skip this le. They say 1900, 1985, 1985, right? 1985. Quite lengthy, but because they speak quite fast, so it seems like it's a short one word only. Like this, 1985, isn't it? Otherwise it is 1985, right? Okay, one more thing, you need numbers, that is when somebody is asking your phone number. Like for example, this is my husband's number, right? So French people speak phone numbers in pairs. Like 10-digit number is there, so they make 5 pairs and they say something like that. If it is 98, so 98, 15, 03, 26, 21, right? I know a bit complicated, but it's quite easy if you'll just practice the numbers, right? Okay, to practice such numbers, that is pairs, let's play a little game, right? Are you ready? Was it prepared? Alright, come on now, let's play this game. You have to check the numbers, whatever number I'll flash here, you have to check and tell me in French. D'accord? Okay, so now let's check which number is it. In French you have to speak, right? 32 is 32. Très bien, it is 32. And now let's check this. It's simply 21, 21. Now this one, 55. 50 is, yes, 50 is sunk on, so simply add 5, sunk on, sunk. Now let's check this. Yes, it is 80. So 80 is 4 times 20, that is ketwa. Now 85. Ketwa sunk. And this one, 16. Says très bien, right? So you have to practice numbers like that. Alright, so that was all about numbers, and now whenever you check any number, whenever you see any number, try to speak that number in French, right? That was all about today, and now au revoir, à la prochaine, bye. Okay, so if you like my channel and you want to learn more French lessons, then just subscribe my channel French with Loveleen, and the subscribe button is just here below, red button. Okay, just press it and you will get more videos. Even these videos you can check. These are basic videos. Okay, it's gonna help you a lot. Okay, so see you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.